West Pine Creek, Idaho. Nissan has a proclivity for snow. A couple of years back, we shot a trio of winter warrior ideas around some Midwestern ski slants. Those Chicago Auto Show bound hybrids were a balance of marvelous and shocking because of an arrangement of four-wheel tracks, yet 2018's spin-off truly takes things to another level. At any rate, that is the conclusion we came to subsequent to making sense of simply the correct minute to level foot the Nissan 370's ski idea out of a corner in the mountains of eastern Idaho. The 370's ski, articulated 370 ski, is the final product of asking what might happen in the event that we transformed a game's auto into a snowmobile. Simply put, Nissan took a standard 370Z Roadster and supplanted the wheels with skis and 4-foot-long, 15-inch wide tracks from American Track Truck, a similar provider that prepared the Winter Warrior trio. They at that point tinted the headlights and shrouded the auto in a splendid orange wrap from Icon Image Graphics to influence it to fly against the setting of snow and evergreens. A custom lift unit raised the Z 3 inches, giving simply enough space to the back tracks to clear the wheel wells. The front suspension was fitted with connectors to give the skis enough travel and turn. Not at all like the Winter Warrior vehicles, the 370's ski has a sensible turning range. The motor and transmission mounts were uniquely manufactured and a slide plate was added to keep the 3.7-liter 332 torque V6's guts from spilling out like a lightsabered tauntaun. Out back there are custom mounts for the back springs, rerouted brake lines and another fitment for the fumes framework. The last item is both inconceivable and crazy. It pauses for a moment to figure out the auto, yet once things move all you need to do is fly off riggings and hurl up a ceaseless chicken tail of snow and ice. Braking is the most troublesome viewpoint, yet legitimate strategy comes rapidly. You basically need to give the tracks a chance to take every necessary step and back off in a straight line. Wound the brake pedal like you would on a road auto and you'll send the ass end whipping around. The front brakes don't work since the center point doesn't turn. The 7-speed programmed implies you can simply put the auto in drive and go, however it's significantly all the more engaging to utilize the oar shifters. From a dead stop, floor the gas and snap through riggings 1 through 4. The tracks take a moment to get, however once they do the best arrangement is to simply keep your foot in it. With the best down, anticipate that a confined tempest will give you ice, however it's all piece of the good times. There's one serious racket from the tracks. However it's coordinated by the Z's V6 screeching V6 braking at the rev limiter. Likewise with any back-wheel drive auto in the snow, oversteer is the name of the amusement. It's anything but difficult to actuate, however the Z is so natural to reel back in that you continue goosing the gas to perceive how far you can push it. Approach a corner, back off the gas and downshift to exchange the auto's weight and after that nail it again to control out. It's inebriating. All you need to do is make your own particular Rally Sweden feature reel. Shockingly, these are simply engaging ideas that advise you that some days are superior to others. All things considered, American Track Truck offers Dominator tracks for almost anything with wheels. The tracks can be swapped for customary wheels by a solitary individual in around 60 minutes, however a moment combine of hands is very proposed. We exceptionally support anybody considering putting tracks and skis on their game's auto to finish. It's as awesome as it looks. Come see Nissan's ideas at the 2018 Chicago Auto Show.